How to lock apps in Windows 10 and 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock apps in Windows 10 and 11. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, to lock apps, we're going to use free tools from OOF, a developer of several PC utilities. So to do that, simply open any web browser. And now here, once you're inside, just click on the search bar and simply type OSHoft and simply search for it. And now here on the search result, simply click on the first link. And after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of osoft.net. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply go to the top and there under the secret folder, you simply have to click on download. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down and just click on download again. And once you do that, on the next page, you simply have to find the secret folder, and just beside that option, you simply have to click on download. And here, once you do that, the executive file will be downloaded. And here, once the download finishes, you simply have to open the File Explorer. And now here in this section, you simply have to locate the folder. And once you have found it, you simply have to double click on the installer. And after that, you'll get an administration pop-up. So there you just have to click on yes. And after that, you simply have to go through the setup steps to install the tools. And after installation, the program will ask you to create a password and a recovery email. So simply enter both. And once you're done with it, simply click on OK and let it finish setting up. And after that, you will be inside of the secret folder tool. And now here, to lock an app, you just have to go to the top left side of the screen, and there you just have to click on add. And after that, a pop-up window will pop up asking you to select the file execution. So here, simply navigate to the folder where the app is being installed. So generally, in most of the PCs, the app is stored in this PC, and here in this section, it's generally stored within the program files or program files x86. So here in this video, I'll be selecting program files x86. And now here in this section, you simply have to choose the app folder. For example, I will choose the Epic Games. So here, simply select it. And once you're done selecting it, just click on OK. And now here, even though the app appears on the list, but this is being locked right now. So here, if you want to unlock the app again, then you simply have to select the file again. And after that, you simply have to click on unlock. And here, if you like, you can even remove the file from the secret folder as well. And that's it. That's how you can lock apps in Windows 10 and 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.